Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some supine twist core work that has been a real favorite in my Springboard Pilates classes in the studio. We're going to set our springs to a level 5. These are going to be our shorter hand springs with the hand straps on. Lie down on the back and float the legs up into a tabletop position. Right hand in the strap, the left hand is going to come back to support the head, elbow wide. Draw the right elbow down towards the mat. This first exercise, we're going to punch the arm out as we peel off the right shoulder blade, twist and press the fist off to the side. We're going to take 5 repetitions of each sequence. Exhale as you punch out, inhale as you return, drawing that elbow back down to the mat each time. Now straighten the right arm, and you're going to twist and sweep the arm straight across, going to the outside of your left leg. And lower back down to the mat. Peel off that shoulder blade and sweep the arm across. Exhale as you twist, inhale on the return. Next, you're going to twist that right arm and hold it there beyond the leg, and taking the right leg, we're going to reach it out straight and draw back in. Again, this moving leg is the same side as your arm in the spring strap. Extend the leg straight and draw it back into the tabletop position. Still holding that arm in place, we're going to switch and take the opposite side leg, tap the toe down, and then draw back to tabletop position. Right arm remains reaching across and right shoulder blade is still peeled off of the mat. Challenge this even further by reaching the right leg out long, and now tapping the left toe down and pulling back up into tabletop. Keep the right arm reaching and the shoulder peeled off the mat. Again, it's the same side leg that's reaching long and the opposite side leg that's tapping down and lifting. Now draw both legs back in and lower everything down, switching sides, grabbing that spring in the left hand, right hand beyond the head, and we're punching as we twist across. Straighten the arm out and sweep the arm across as you peel off that shoulder blade and twist. Now twist the left arm across and hold as you reach the same side left leg out straight and draw back into tabletop. Now tap down the opposite leg or right side leg, tap the toe to the mat and draw back up into the tabletop position. Extend the left leg long and hold it, tap down the right, and return to tabletop. Draw both legs in and come down and release the spring. Give a little twist here through the side, drawing the elbow down towards the hip and in the other direction, and then realign the spine straight and lower down the feet. I love to come back to this one time and time again, and I hope that you enjoyed it too. For more Springboard classes, you can work with me online on Patreon. I will see you guys next time in the studio.